Vegetable soup is about to go down. That is how we roll it. We roll it. What's up, guys? What's going on? You guys told me the other time, I asked a question from the page that what soup did you guys want me to prepare next? I saw a lot of vegetable soup. Really, I've not made vegetable stew or soup for a very long time. Okay, I heed to your advice. I said, there is no problem. We are going to make vegetable soup in this house. I went to the market, to the village market that I told you guys that I went to. I went to go and buy fresh. This is spinach, but it is not like spinach. It is different because spinach is like a water leaf. This one is like ugu. So we call it a bietola. Very, very nice leaf. I respect my fans. When you say you need this, I do it for you. I've washed it thoroughly. When you use this leaf to eat, use it to make soup, use it to make stew. You put it in ogbono, put it in egusi, put it in all sorts of. You will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. I want to slice them the way they slice things in the market. Now, you guys know. In the market in old days when I was in Nigeria. I cannot wait to finish up with this vegetable soup because I'm really, really hungry. I'm hungry. I've not eaten this morning and I have to eat. I have to eat on my belly. On my belly, and I'm going to give this vegetable soup to Obi because we are going to eat it with fresh original pounded yam. When you try it, you will know. Hey, you will say, oh, my lovely wife, you are the best wife ever. We have done cutting our vegetable. This is what we achieved from all the vegetable, guys. This is what we achieved from all the vegetables. So, blink, blink. I have to go and cook. I have to go and cook. I have to go and cook. See you, see. That is it. That is it. See you, guys. I love you.